nature heals. Coming to the forest with a lake, spending some time. So being in a natural, organic environment, like also in wild nature, there is a presence there that is not judging. It's not judging you. So the only judgmental mental awareness that you feel is your own. So therefore you can really see where are you judging yourself, why are you putting yourself down, why can you not embrace this part of you as part of who you are. And this way is easier to manage your own feelings, emotions and energy.